We're installing cubicles for our customer service group with the help of some of these wall control kits. So you can see kind of one that we've set up here already. This is just a really cool and super functional way for more organization for our team. So we're happy to partner with Wall Control, and it's a really cool setup in the Harvey colors.
The first step in this built-in project is to get our backer panels cut to size. The compass slider table can handle a full sheet of plywood, which makes breaking down these sheets super easy. I'm also using the Grabo vacuum hand tool, which I believe is a must-have for working with sheet goods. I'll put a link to that product in the description below. Now that we've got our panels all cut to size, it's time for finish. For the finish on this project, we're going with a black hard wax oil from Natura OneCoat. And I went with this system versus a stain because I wanted something very durable, but also something that dried very quickly because we did this whole project in one day. And I believe Natura OneCoat is a better alternative to something like a Rubio. I'll put a link to that product in the description below. We're going to throw a quick edge banding on a couple of the exposed sides, and then we're ready for install.
Hey Sam,
What's going on?
what do you think about the new workstations?
Looks amazing.
Yeah, they do. Little midway refuel.
My dongle is dongle.
Got a little.